Ready, start. At the same time, from the proceedings of the court of the learned judge available on the virtual platform, it is patently clear that his lordship did not even express that the single inverted comma regions would follow single inverted comma close for the dismissal of the petition. Full stop. Not having so expressed, his lordship practically rendered the court functus officio. Full stop. We say so because it is not too clear as to whether any order of dismissal was signed by his lordship on 1st March, 2023, or at any point of time immediately thereafter, although we have noted from the report that the disposal log report of 1st March, 2023 of His Lordship's Court duly recorded that the petition stood disposed of. Full stop. In Vinod Kumar Singh versus Banaras Hindu University, this court held that when a judgment is pronounced in open court, parties act on the basis that it is the operative judgment and that signing is a mere formality, semicolon. However, in exceptional circumstances, an order pronounced in open court can be amended or even altered before the same has been authenticated by the judge by signing the order, but such a course ought to be adopted judicially, sparingly and for adequate reasons and upon putting the parties to notice. Full stop. Such is not the case here. Full stop. We are inclined to the view that the learned judge, not having expressed that reasons for the dismissal would follow, his lordship ceased to retain jurisdiction over the petition and foreclosed assignment of reasons for the dismissal. Full stop. Assuming that his lordship were to express that reasons for the dismissal would follow, still there could be no valid reason to write a detailed reasoned order after lapse of a year having expressed double inverted comma dismissed double inverted comma close and upload such order on the website. Full stop. No doubt, as per the good practice prevailing in the High Court, the order was communicated to the appellant's counsel by the IT cell, but that is little consolation in a case of the present nature. Full stop. Having said thus, and bearing in mind the onerous responsibilities that learned judges of the high courts across the country have to shoulder on a daily basis, we are persuaded to think that the duty and responsibility of assigning reasons for dismissal of the petition completely escaped the mind of the learned judge. Full stop. Perhaps, there is hardly any individual, including any judge, who can truly claim to have committed no mistake in his life. Full stop. It is a feature of human fallibility that people are prone to commit mistakes. Full stop. It is how lessons that individuals learn from mistakes which facilitate in putting the past behind for moving forward. Full stop. Nonetheless, we regret to observe that the learned judge, having realized in April, 2024 of having omitted to assign reasons for dismissal of the petition, although his lordship had pronounced double inverted dismissed double inverted close in open court proceedings on 1st March, 2023, could have avoided committing an act of indiscretion, by breaching all norms of ethics, in proceeding to assign reasons more than a year later. Full stop. In accordance with the highest standards of fairness, propriety and discipline, the need of the hour required the learned judge to bring the matter back on board once again, recall the verbal order of dismissal and place it before the Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court for assigning it to some other bench for fresh consideration. Full stop. It cannot be gainsaid that in today's world, particularly when more and more people are showing interest in court proceedings and there is wide coverage thereof on social media platforms, the presiding officers of courts are equally at the center of attention as the controversy that is involved and the manner of its resolution. full stop. The society expects every judge of a high court, comma, so to say, comma, to be a model of rectitude, comma, an epitome of unimpeachable integrity and unwavering principles, comma, a champion of moral excellence, comma, and an embodiment of professionalism, comma, who can consistently deliver work of high quality, guaranteeing justice, full stop. Although, comma, on the whole, comma, the weight of work on learned judges of the high courts across the country is immense, and the judges have also been performing commendably despite various odds, comma, instances such as the one under consideration, comma, which we view as nothing more than an aberration, comma, bring disrepute to the judicial system of the country and show the entire judiciary in poor light, full stop. This, comma, in our opinion, comma, could have well been avoided with a little bit of care and caution, comma, and deference to the decisions on the point by this court, full stop. The situation presents us with an opportunity where we feel it expedient to share our thoughts only for the purpose of future guidance to overcome adversity, full stop. Having regard to the demands of changing times, comma, one of the significant aspects of judging that has been at the forefront of discussion in many a conference slash conclave or legal circle is the need for prompt single inverted comma pronouncement of judgments single inverted comma close, full stop. Order 20th of Code of Civil Procedure, comma, 1908 ordains that a judgment can be pronounced, comma, in an open court, comma, either at once or as soon thereafter as may be practicable on a future day, full stop.